we go. Very nice. We'll actually be in the foothills of the mountains in a couple minutes. And looks like we came at a really good time. Don't have many people out here with us. It's always a nice thing when you have the roads to yourself. Okay. We got a laser hit. This guy here. Okay, that one had a cowboy hat, so I somehow doubt it. You never know though. They actually do wear them out here. RCMP, and actually Calgary City Police, which we're only about an hour away from. No, yeah, about an hour and a half now where I am. They also wear cowboy hats. They kind of look silly, but hey, there's their choice. Yeah. So once again, I think that was a false hit. What can't set these off also are garage door openers and stuff like that. Up there on the side of caution is what I say. Yeah. Would have been nice if we would have got a little more blue. Like I say, I'm chasing behind the rain. Oh, it's just so nice getting out. Officially in Canada country. I'd really like to know where all these laser hits are coming from. So, it gets a little nicer in a minute. We're still just a little bit in the foothills. These guys walking through here, absolutely crazy, man. Get a pedal bike or something. Okay, well, I'm still getting a laser warning. Okay, I wonder if we'll see any wildlife today. River is this? River is Creek. Oh, we'll find out in a minute. Yeah, my laser's still going on. What the hell do they do? Am I just getting a false alert on a cell tower or something? What the hell? That'd be one hell of a trick though. Just put a transponder up on one of these mountains. Okay, but we've been running under laser alert for the last 5 minutes here. Pick your line. I'm almost thinking it's not going to be laser I'm going to be finding. It's going to be the KA band. That's why, you know, I'm just going to go with the assumption now. I'm just going to go with the assumption now that this laser is a false alarm. Good thing about this IQ, it'll send out a new signal. Something comes up on a different band. So if KA comes up, it'll actually show you it's pulling a couple different bands. I think that's pretty cool. Yeah. Gotta watch Texas Gate. Ah, more bus. What's going on here? Closed. A little early. Okay. Wow, shitty. I did not know this road got closed. Okay. Well, I would just like going around. Well, fuck, would that piss him off. Look at that. closed road. Oh man. You know, even just going around doing some wheelies. Okay, well this is just totally shitty. Totally. Okay, so this isn't what I was planning on. Not at all. So looks like I go back route of Highway 22. Well, sheep, man, sheep. Okay. Okay. New rule. Radar detector unplugged first. Bike turned off. Why is that rule? I'm finding that little puppy sucks a lot of power. So this is two guys I just met who did a similar mistake as I did. Kananaskis country. This is Highway 40 back in on Kananaskis. And
you want something to drink?
No, I'm good, but thank you very much. And I don't feel too bad because right over there's a truck, but they got the road closed. It's not open until June 15th. I didn't know that, and they didn't know it. What do we got over here? Try not to breathe like a dog. Nice little 636. And he's taking all the parts and slowly blacking it out. Nice little bike. I'll jump in behind these guys when we leave. And what is that? Kawasaki, yeah, okay. Man, these bikes, so hard to tell the difference on them. Video will come on here in a minute. And that's a couple nice guys here. Just been sitting here yakking, getting really lucky. When I came out, I was chasing the clouds. And I thought I was going to be running through rain coming back. But this is what it turned into today. So even though I couldn't continue down Highway 40, ended up coming to a very nice spot and met once again a few other fellow motorbike riders who have done the exact same thing. Once again, I don't feel so bad.
Number 8 back into Calgary, or?
Say again?
Are you taking number 8?
Past
Brad Creek and then you take the road just...
either that or 2, doesn't matter. I was thinking 2.
2?
Or 1, sorry.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, so you'll go to the highway then?
You got her. Might even follow you guys over to Cochrane and come back in over there. Still doing a little bit of test on this, quite enjoying that.
Okay. Sounds like a plan.
Okay, man. Enjoy the ride safe, eh?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay. So let's pick up from here. I already forgot their names, but I got his business card. Ran into a couple riders, had a nice little talk. They didn't know this road was also closed. So here we go. I'm going to follow a couple riders. Get a couple bikes in the shot here. Have some fun. And okay. That Duke 636 is a little loud. Mirror detector ready, we're good. Detector, and I'll just wait for these guys to go by. There goes one. Cowie 1500cc, little Ducati 636. Okay, so let's go have some fun bugging some people. Had a nice talk with them. They actually, one guy here on the Ducati, I'm not sure if they both work together, I don't think so. I think brother-in-law or something like that. But the one guy on the Ducati, he just designed, I'm not sure if it was a skin or a paint job. It's hard to tell nowadays. He designed, I'll say paint job just because I don't know. Designed a paint job for a stunter in Calgary. And I guess the stunter went down to Vegas and everything. So, gonna have to find out some more details. But anyways, here we go. A nice parting shot. And this is why I come out on these roads. This was one of those ironic moments. I actually came out, stopped. Okay, I gotta get loud for a sec. I'll continue in a minute. Okay, do they ride a pattern formation? Doesn't look like it. Okay, we'll make up here. Okay, continue that point before I forget it. I hope my rear camera gets this. This is where I really want a rear camera shot. Because one of my favorite, I've drawn a few pictures of it before. One of my favorite views is rear view mirror. Okay. When you're watching the mountains slowly get smaller, and this is just beautiful. You know, something like that, that's sort of it. Something like that, sort of it. Not quite. But I've got a few key moments on my old 750. You know, you just didn't get through the mountains as quick. So, you know, there's a few, what I'll call mirror shots. Yes, mirror shots that are burnt in my brain. I actually drew one down once. It was actually quite cool. Okay, this is weird. Okay, I gotta get closer. These GoPros, they'll make it seem like it's really far. I keep forgetting about that. They don't ride pattern, formation. They just ride single file. So, nice little river. Oh, down. Okay, they're pelting me with rocks. Come on, man. Okay. This is why you want a little bit of space. And for anyone curious, we got the screamer set to loud right now. Okay. And we got speed limit people. I really don't have to worry about my laser. Ooh. cloud. Kind of ironic, you know, stop at a dead end, didn't know it was a dead end. Absolutely nobody around. Well, what was it? 2 other cars did pull through there. And once again, ran into a couple fellow motorbike riders. Now that is the cool thing about riding motorbikes. If you got the right attitude, you're never alone on the road. Remember that. Hey, I like that. Hey, what are my new riding rules? Yeah, video I'm working on. You're never alone on the road. Just keep the attitude right.